2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, bed liner, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.